Chatbot synchronization. Synchronization is syncing two chatbots into one chatbot, like transferring media blocks and stories to one chatbot. From the dashboard, click on the setting icon and tap on Bot Synchronization. You can sync any of your chatbots in the list. There are two action buttons, Auto Sync and One-Time Sync. One-Time Sync is deleting the chatbot and synchronizing or keeping the chatbot and synchronizing. The Auto Sync will synchronize the chatbots. Here, we auto sync the testing bot. Go to Create Story, and you will see a note that it is synchronized with the email testing bot. Now go to the email testing bot again, and now doing one-time syncing, and we are selecting Delete and Synchronize this time. As you see, you can create a story now. Go to the email testing bot again, and now select Keep and Synchronize. As you can see in Manage Bots, the testing bot is synchronized with the email testing bot. That's it. Thanks for watching.